Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Pi Network's influencer program. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly open the Pi application. Now, once the Pi application will open in front of you, all you have to do is simply click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Then choose Pi browser. Now over here, just click on sign into Pi browser. Now make sure before continuing, you should have browser in your phone installed. If you don't have that, it will automatically redirect you to the Play Store and you have to install the application. Once the installation is complete, again come back to the network application and do the same process. And then click on sign into the Pi browser and choose any browser. That will redirect you to the Pi browser, as you can see right over here. Now, once you're in the Pi browser, the next thing that you have to do is you have to open your profile section. So choose profile at the bottom right hand side corner, and over here inside your profile section you will have profile settings. Click on that, and right over here you will see the option which is apply for influencer program. Now in order to actually apply, you will need a social media application where you have some amount of followers. Now it could be YouTube, Insta, Twitter, or even TikTok. And if you have followers on all of them, you have to apply for all of them. So let's say for example you want to apply with YouTube. So just simply click on apply in front of YouTube. Now this page will appear in front of you. Over here all you have to do is just simply enter your YouTube handle right over here and the number of followers that you have on YouTube right over here. Let's do that first. Now after entering the details, just simply click on verify and a new page will appear in front of you. Now over here what you have to do is you have to just simply follow three simple steps. First, you have to make a post on your YouTube account using this image over here, as you can see. And in your post, you will also have to add the link that is provided in the step 2, which will be your joining link using your own profile link, which you can see right over here. And once you have created that post on your YouTube account, you have to post the share link in the third section over here. So first, let's create the post on YouTube and then get the share link. So after creating the post, which you can see right over here, all you have to do is just simply get the share link and paste it right over here in the third section. Now click on the small checkbox option and now just click on submit application, and just like that you have submitted your influencer application for YouTube platform. So click on done, and now it will go under review, and it will take at least few days for the review team to review your YouTube account and the post that you made. They will accept the application for the influencer program, and after that you can become a part of that. Now you can do the same for Instagram, Twitter and TikTok if you have following on them as well. The process will be exactly the same. Like for example, if you are on Instagram, click on apply for Instagram, add your Instagram handle over here, number of followers, and then create a post on Instagram. Then just simply add the share link in the third column and then just click on submit and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.